In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this button. So we're going to go to a new slide. First thing I want to do is insert my border. So I'm going to come to Shapes, Square, left click in the top corner and drag it down to fill this shape. I do not want to have a background on it, so I'm going to come to the little fill color, change this to transparent. I'm going to change the border color to black. And then I'm going to click here to change the width of the border to 8. Now I need to insert my image. So you can come to Insert Image, choose to upload from your computer, search the web. Maybe it's on your Google Drive. Maybe you want to use your camera to take a photo. I already downloaded the official logo from their website to my desktop, so I'm just going to left click and drag it onto my slide. Then we want to resize it. Always resize from the corners to keep things proportionate to size, so it doesn't skew them and make it a different size. I'm going to go ahead and center this. Notice that little red line that shows up? That kind of shows me that that is the center. Now I want to insert that text below. So I'm going to come up to the text box, left click where I want it to go on my screen and drag. Then I'm going to go ahead and type it in. I'm going to cheat here and just copy it from here to save time. All right, then I can left click and drag again. Notice that red line kind of lets me know that that's where it is centered. Now I don't like the black border. I want it to match this canvas button. So I installed ColorZilla extension. So I'm going to come up here to my extensions, left click on it, and this allows me to pick a color from my page here to match my border. So I just move my mouse over the color I want, left click, and it shows me my color right up here. If it goes away, which it might, like that, go ahead and click on this extension again, and then choose your color picker panel. That'll bring it up, and right here is the code that I need. So I can just copy this code. I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. Then I'm going to select my border. I come up here to the border color, and now I'm going to choose a custom color. So I go ahead and click on this plus sign, and then right here I'm going to enter the hex codes. And then notice now it's that color, click OK, and now my border matches exactly. You can go in, of course, and just, again, select your border and just kind of eye your color if you want, but that's just a little tip to show how you can get the exact same colors. All right, now I have my button. Then I would just go to File, choose to download, and I would choose the JPEG option or the PNG image, depending upon if I was wanting a transparent background to it. But I'm just going to go ahead and choose the JPEG option. Then it would allow me to choose where I want to download it. I can name it, which I highly suggest you name it so that you can find it later. So Canvas tutorial button. Save it to my desktop, and now it is ready to pull up into my website. And if I want to create a button similar to this one, I would just right click on this, duplicate this slide. I can get rid of my image. I can change the text to maybe whatever I want it to say. Maybe I want to left click, drag this text up to the top. Maybe I want to highlight it, make it bigger. Maybe the whole button is going to just be text. Maybe I don't want any text on it at all, and I wanted to be able to just bring an image in and resize the image to fit the entire button. And so again, that's all you have to do is right click and duplicate to continue to get additional slides.